Today we're installing a cabin air filter in a 2013 GMC Terrain. I will apologize in advance for the poor sound quality. My external mic is not working for some reason today. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. You lower it, and on either side of the glove box are two hooks where it snaps into place. So you'll lift it up on both sides and tilt it, rotate it out of the way like so. The cabin filter is located behind this cover. I don't know how well you can see it. Get you a little closer here. There's a cover right back in there that will need to be removed. Two tabs. It's kind of hard to do it and hold the phone. Two tabs, and it just flips open. As you remove this one, you're going to want to take notice of what direction the airflow is, the arrow on the side of the filter, because you need to put the new one in with the same orientation. And there's not a whole lot of room for your hand back in here, so this might work better if you have smaller hands. As you can see already, this one is in desperate need of replacement. Let's see if we can find the arrow. Okay, it doesn't have one. We're gonna have to do some guesswork on that one. So let me pause it. I'll grab the new filter and we'll be right back. So we're back with a new filter. On this particular vehicle, you want the arrow pointed downward as shown, and working your way horizontally, you want these grates to be moving from left to right. We're going to work it back into its home, which would be easier if the camera wasn't in my way, but we'll get with it. Just work with it a little bit and it'll slide back in there. Recommended replacement intervals is 1 year or 15,000 miles. Of course, you may want to do that more often if you live in a particularly dusty climate. So these were the hooks earlier that the bottom of the glove box door latches onto. So let me reposition the camera and we will see if we can't get it back in there. So I want to rotate it up first and then on top of the hooks and snap it back in. And that will complete your cabin air filter replacement for 2013 GMC Terrain.